Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's ride a bit special. It's evening time and I am heading out from Mukundapur to Highland Park Inox for a movie. Sounds simple, right? But if you know Kolkata traffic in the evening, you know this is going to be fun. So enjoy the ride along with me. So here we are rolling out from Mukundapur and yep, as expected, the roads are packed already and evening rush hour is getting started. People heading home, buses everywhere, autos, taxis. This is typical Kolkata, man. And oh wait, what's that up ahead? Road repair, really? Perfect timing. Looks like the riding going to be more dramatic than I planned. I just hope I don't miss the movie. Guys, I have been stuck here for 15 minutes now and the road is literally crawling. Honestly, I don't mind slow rides, but when you have got a movie booked, it's just But this is really the city riding. You need patience, balance, a lot of control on the clutch, and at least I have got this beast with me, makes it way more fun. Finally, almost half an hour. Here's some breathing space. That's why I ride. That feeling when you finally hit a smooth stretch and glides through it. Kolkata evening has its own vibe. Let's heading towards Highland Park Inox and enjoy the ride. The roads of Kolkata are literally getting worse day by day, and riding in Kolkata day by day is getting pathetic. Alright, we are here, finally made it, and let's go towards parking. And I'm still on time, that's what I call a successful ride. And let's get into and a token for parking this beast. And now let's head inside. Tickets on my phone. Let's park here. Yes, I am still on time. This ride was short but full of twists and typical Kolkata evening madness, right? If you enjoyed this vlog, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Maybe another ride, another weekend, and probably highway. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned.